Start by attaching the pan motor to your tripod. After securing the pan motor by rotating it, press the lock button while giving it an additional turn to make sure it is tightened properly. When turning it in the opposite direction, ensure it doesn't loosen from the bottom. Place the JibONE body onto the screw on the pan motor and tighten the connection by hand. Loosen the length adjustment screws on the jib and fully extend the jib by pulling from the front. Now attach the head plus and your camera to the front to make the system front heavy. Attach the counterweight to the body as shown to make the system back heavy again. Now we can connect the batteries to the JibONE and proceed with the final balancing. By pulling the pin outward, unlock the JibONE, release and check the balance. To start the balance adjustment, first loosen the counterweight locking screw by about 1 turn. Slide the counterweight back and forth until you achieve a good balance. Then tighten the locking screw again. Lower the jib completely and connect one end of the cable to the pan motor and the other end to the jib motor. You can attach the cable to the cable holders on the body, ensuring it stays neat. To check if the head plus is level, rotate it. If it's not balanced, loosen the jib length adjustment. Adjust it until it is perfectly level, and then tighten the length adjustment screw. Check the balance in the other direction as well. If you notice any imbalance, loosen the tilt adjustment, bring it to balance, and then tighten the tilt adjustment again. If you want to mount the head plus upside down, you can rotate the connection as shown to position it upside down.